Before we do, hold on. How do you check your... We have 9 kisses from... Wait, we can kiss gentlemen? Oh my god, I was like, men? We can kiss men? Oh my god. Yeah, I think the off collab did something to me. Oh my god. I really struggled to say men for some reason. Oh my god, I've never done that before. I think, no, it's not because I was nervous. It was because I was reading gentlemen, like gents, and I was gonna say men, but then like in my brain it was like no, it's not men, it's gentlemen. Then my brain just got stuck on the letter M. and then so it was like don't worry.